हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज आपके लिए एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त चीज़ आने वाली है। 1 महीने की पूरी सीरीज शुरू होने वाली है, मंथली कोर्स, जिसमें मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा बालों की डेफिनेशन। तो आज की पहली वीडियो रिलीज़ कर रहा हूँ मैं, उसमें आपको बताऊंगा मैं बाल है क्या। क्योंकि जब पहले आपको ये पता रहना चाहिए हेयर ड्रेसिंग से पहले कि बाल होता क्या है, उसको काटने के पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम जिस पे काम करने वाले हैं वो चीज़ है क्या। तो मैं आज उसके बारे में आपको कुछ थ्योरी बताऊंगा, वीडियो को पूरा देखेंगे। तो ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए वीडियो शुरू करेंगे। फॉर योर स्टडी, व्हाट इज द हेयर? फर्स्ट हेयर हैव 3 लेयर्स। 3 बालों के अंदर 3 लेयर होती हैं। सो 3 लेयर्स, बट फर्स्ट लेयर इज इन द साइड, अंदर वाली सबसे अंदर वाली लेयर रहती है मेडुला। तो मेडुला अंदर, जब हम लोग कोई कलर कर रहे होते हैं परमानेंट, तो वो मेडुला तक जाता है। व्हेन वी डू द कलर फॉर द परमानेंट, देन दे गोज टू मेडुला, दैट्स व्हाई दे स्टे मोर। अगर हम लोग कलर करते हैं मेडोला के लिए परमानेंट कलर, तो वो मेडोला तक जाता है, इसलिए ज़्यादा देर तक रहता है। देन वी डू सेमी परमानेंट कलर, लाइक सेमी परमानेंट कलर विच इज़ लाइक द अमोनिया फ्री वन। अगर कोई अमोनिया फ्री कलर हम लोग करते हैं, दैट गोज टू कोटेक्स अपर लेयर वॉशेबल कलर। तो धीरे धीरे वो निकलता रहता है बालों से, और वो थर्ड लेयर तक नहीं पहुंच पाता, इसलिए ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं रहता है। दैट्स व्हाई दे कॉल कोटेक्स, दे ओनली पॉलिशिंग ऑन दैट। व्हेन वी डू सेमी, when we do that color like semi permanent, semi in the sense use now, today use after 2 or 3 washes that's gone. Semi permanent color is when you apply the color temporarily like green, yellow, purple. तो जब हम कभी बिल्कुल नॉर्मल ऐसा कलर करते हैं जो हमें ज़्यादा दिन के लिए नहीं चाहिए, जैसे प्रीलाइट करने के बाद, या तो ग्रीन, येलो, रेड, पर्पल, तो वो रहता है क्यूटिकल तक, अपर लेयर तक. So when we do semi-permanent color, that color goes to only cuticle base, because when you wash your hair, they fade down more than 50%. Okay, do you understand that? When we do the semi-permanent color on the cuticle layer, like a semi-permanent in the green, yellow, purple, that will be goes to the cuticles. When you wash your hair, that goes very fast, very very fast. तो जब भी हम लोग ये क्यूटिकल के ऊपर कलर करते हैं सेमी परमानेंट, वो धीरे धीरे निकल जाता है पूरा. सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? सो इट विल बी डन. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड 3 layers?
Yes.
So everything is built here. We work on, because we are a hairdresser, you are a hairdresser, complete hairdresser. We work on the hair shaft, this in between areas called hair shaft. So what you apply color on the hair shaft, not in the roots. You can't go, because you understand, that's why I create the invention here, how the hair comes out. You understand that? So when the hair comes out, they build hair shaft. When the hair shaft will be built, so after that we do the study in this, like when you do the coloring, you do the haircut, hairstyle, straightening, smoothing, rebonding, all these things you can do in this. Okay, so you can write over there hair shaft also. So we'll do like, so now what is the hair here? Again, so hair is made of a true protein called by keratin. Right over there.
Meredith को तो बहुत टाइम हो गया, 3 months.
कर सकते हो, अगर यहाँ पे कुछ उसमें कलर नहीं चाहिए तो यहाँ डाउन है तो हो जाएगा, तो उस पे मतलब ब्लैक कलर कर देंगे.
यानी वो फिर मतलब कितने टाइम लगेगा? वो नीचे आपको बोला
Hair full answer, like each hair into the skin.
चार्ज कितना होगा?
के बालों पे अगर ब्लैक लगाएंगे तो
So you done this line? You done this line? Let me understand this line. This one. Okay? This line. So what is that? When you eat or something, like whenever you eat something, so when the body can take small protein in all your body. Like if you take a one bite, they divide by full body. If you eat some good healthy food, then they goes here also. So they have some bulb here. This is a bulb. The bulb here. Then they charge. See here. Low,
from the bulb of the hair fall. Okay, so when you eat like when the bulb will be charged here properly, they have a healthy hair, then they grow hair out and out and out and falling down. See, when you have a hair comes, they doesn't stand like this, they fall like this. Okay, that's why they fall here for here. And then this bulb will be charged and they pushed up, the hair comes out, the growth. When after that the hair shaft is created. What they created? Hair shaft. Hair shaft is charged. So now we work is start. This is a nature work. Nature in the sense the God give you. The nature works already start to here, and after this layer, the shaft will be there. When the shaft will be there, now your work is started. Now you do the work like haircut or the hair spa, smoothing, straightening, rebonding, whatever semi-permanent thing you do, you can do on the hair shaft, not in the roots. You can't go inside. You can't go inside the head. You can't go here. Okay, we can do the work here. Okay, we can cut the hair here. If you cut the hairs, you can cut in the length, not in the roots. Do you understand that? What is that? This is the bulb. Who introduces us when you eat the food, the automatically body can give the protein on the hair. That's why the hair is protein added by keratin. Why? Because when everything will be mentioned, they create only two invention. If you have two things like both the hand combination, same like here, protein and keratin. If it doesn't have a combination, your hair will be not built. If you build some house, you need brick. You need cement also. You can't do build with the brick only. You can't build the house with only cement. You need both the things, same like here, protein and keratin. Then they build up, and the bubbles come out, and bulb will be charged, and the hair come out. Right over there is line. Done?
564.
That the bulb leaving, call, deliver and grow to build the hair shaft. The build hair shaft. The hair shaft will be built because they give the connection of this. Okay? In the sense they call, like I call you to come here, same like here. They call to grow. That's why they call and grow the hair shaft. Right over there. You write already? Okay. So this will be finished. We'll do something.
Everyone like
Now is one important thing is here. Now you know what is the hair and how to build, how the skin will be helped, how the nature will be helped to grow the shaft. Now you working on the hair. This is the head. Here, okay. So first is here, okay. So you are a beginner, so we start from a 0. That called 0 degree. Understand that? This is the drawing there. Drawing. Leave that. Drawing this. Okay, so when you cut first time here, you can cut on the 0 degree, in the sense the your scissor will be like that, so you can cut. This is a rough comb. So when you start with your first grip, you can normally see the head have a round shape like this. So you can divide in this 4 pieces. That called 4 section. If you are just do the operation, then you can just pieces. Now you cutting the hair, you can just create 4 basic section. So first section is here, center partition. That called center partition in the middle. Here. That called center partition. Right over there. Okay, you will right over there. So now second thing is, this is ear and this is also ear. We'll go another section, ear, right, and third is to ear. The section called ear to ear. They call only one section, but we create in 4 pieces, like ear to ear. When you go that side, is we create one single section. When you are inside this side, you will be see another section. So that called ear to ear professionally. But when you do basic thing, this will be ear and again to ear. Okay, ear to ear. But when you learn properly, then you can just create only one. You can call only one section. We create ear to ear like this. Okay. So first section is 0, you can cut it 0. So first section is your center partition. Second is ear and third is to ear. Okay, after that we go, this is the back side. Okay, so this is the ear here and this is our the back side center partition, that called the behind the back center partition. This is another sketch. You understand that? This till here. So let me detail again. This will be common head. Okay, and in symbol is here for ear. This for measurement. How you manage that? How you measure? How you set like calculation. So the nature give you already calculate. You need no need to calculate for like an inchy tape or something. No need. They already give for nature. So what they give? They give you here eyebrows. They give you here eyebrows. So in the middle of the length, that called center partition. Okay. So the basic section in the sense is center partition. So is here center partition, and again here you here see ear to ear, the third and fourth, like second and third, ear to ear, and the back side is here the center partition. Then when you go for the advanced level, then you can go for a law of the ear section, right over there, law of the ear. And then middle of the ear. And top of the ear. And this here that called occipital bone. Okay, they call bone. This is also section. You understand till here?
Yeah.
Shall I remove this? Now this is the basic thing is done. I call this is done today.